Imagine your first day at a new job. You don't know the system, you don't know the people, every small task feels big. And in that moment, you're not just confused or inexperienced. Here's something very specific. You are a Tyro. A Tyro is a person who is new to a job, skill, or field and has little experience. Its pronunciation, Tyro. TY sounds like tie, RO sounds like row. Stress is on the first syllable. Tyro, Tyro. Grammatical nature, Tyro is a countable noun. You can say a Tyro or many Tyros. There are some common collocations for this word, like a complete Tyro, someone with zero experience at all, a Tyro in business or teaching, or so on, new in a specific field. A young Tyro, a beginner who is also young. Tyro mistakes, mistakes that beginners commonly make. These combinations show how this word is naturally used. Examples: he was a Tyro in programming, so even simple tasks took time. Because he was new, basic things were still difficult for him. The team supported the Tyros as they learned the job. The beginners were given help because they were still gaining experience. Being a Tyro is not a weakness, it's a stage, a starting point, and every expert you respect once stood exactly there.